Guys, welcome back to XJ for Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your 84 through 96 Jeep XJ mirrors with the 97 plus mirrors. So let's get into it, guys. So the first step here is taking off your door panel. In order to take off your door panel, you got to take out the two Phillips screws right here, the one right here. There's two under the armrest you take out. And for me, because I have these speakers here, I also need to take out those. So now that we have all the screws removed, the door handle here, you're going to pop out like that, bring up, and pull out. Once you're done with that, the door handle, you're going to pull out from the switch side, and you're going to slide it out like that to give you some room. Okay, then after that, you're going to go in with a trim clip removal tool, and you're going to remove all the clips around the door panel and pop it out. So once you removed all the clips or popped them all out, it should be like this where you can pull out the door panel. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop it up there and slide it that way slightly. So once you're done with that step, it should look like this. The door panel's out, and I have it slid over enough so I can reach the screw on the adjuster cover right there. So now we're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to pop this little cover off, unscrew that, and just pull it out. You might have to push in the center of this, but then it'll pop out. So just like that, we got the little cover off, and you can see the adjuster right there. And there's these three T30 Torx bits. So you're going to want to undo all of those, and then once you're done undoing all of those, you're going to let the mirror just kind of hang down. So once you have it looking like this, you're going to take a flat blade screwdriver and you're going to just kind of pop it in here and just pull out the grommet until it just pops out, and then you can just take the whole mirror out. So now that we have the mirror taken off, you're going to put your new one on there, but when you get it all on there, you're going to realize that it doesn't quite sit right because of the window trim. This black trim right here is too far over, so the mirror can't sit flush on the door. So what you're going to need to do is put the mirror up there, mark on here how far it sticks out, and then you're going to need to take the trim off, trim the metal right there, and then you should be good. So now that I have the trim pieces taken off, cut, and I painted them, so they're drying right now, I'm going to re-bolt on the mirrors because you don't need the trim on there to bolt up the mirrors. You can put the trim on after. So I'll put the mirrors on. In order to put the mirrors on, it's just like the stock, the original ones, the 3 Torx bolts. I'm pretty sure you can use the original ones. If not, make sure when you get the set of mirrors, you get the Torx bits with them. But again, it's a T30 Torx bit. Just bolt it up, put the grommet through, and if it's electric mirrors, power mirrors, just cut off the connector and stuff the wire in the door. And then pretty much everything is the same after that. Put the door panel back on, and then you're good. And then after the trim is dried, then you can put the trim back on. So yeah. Quick note about the interior here. If you don't like the look of your old mirror interior plates for the adjuster, because the new mirrors don't have an adjuster, you can get yourself a set of 84 through 96 power mirror window trim pieces. They don't have the adjuster in them, and they fit and look good, and they fit the same. Note about the mirrors, they don't have an adjuster on the inside, so you just have to manually adjust them, but it's not that bad. Alright guys, it's the next day here. We got the mirrors all finished up. They look super good. It turned out very nice. It looks really good. They fit on the Jeep very well, and we got the trim all modified, and now they fold in. So highly recommend this modification for your Pre-97 Jeep Cherokee XJs looks very good, very practical. The mirrors are a lot bigger from the inside, so you're able to see more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and I will see you guys next time.